Hi everyone, in this video you will learn about what's new in macOS 14.1 and how to update your Mac to the latest version. Apple released macOS Sonoma version 14.1 on October 25, 2023. The update size is approximately 2.25 GB. This update provides enhancements, bug fixes, and security updates for your Mac, including favorites expanded in music to include songs, albums, and playlists, and you can filter to display your favorites in the library. Apple warranty status for Mac, AirPods, and Beats headphones and earbuds are available in system settings. Fixes an issue where the system services settings within location services may reset. Fixes an issue that may prevent encrypted external drives from mounting. Some features may not be available for all regions or on all Apple devices. For detailed information about the security content of this update, please visit the support page. I will leave the link to the page in the description box of this video. I will install the new update on my external SSD using MacBook Pro M1 and share any issues that may arise during this process. To avoid any potential data loss, backup your Mac in advance or clone your internal disk to an external drive. Let's get started. To update your system, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Then click General on the left sidebar and click Software Update. To learn more about the macOS Sonoma 14.1 release, click More Info. Next, click Update Now. Then agree to the terms. And enter your password to install. The installation has started. I will let you know if I encounter any problems. It is now time to do some cleaning. The installation of macOS Sonoma version 14.1 on my external SSD is now complete, and it took around 45 minutes. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 4 times throughout the installation. I didn't face any issues during the installation process, and I can now run macOS Sonoma 14.1. If you are considering switching to macOS Sonoma, I have created a step-by-step video tutorial on installing it on an internal or external drive. You can find the link in the description box of this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.